All right, hello friends. We're back out here at the Village of Baytowne Wharf here at Sandestin Resort. They're having the Autos in August car show today. That's kind of a nice little benefit concert for the Aliquot Animal Refuge here in Walton County. So we're gonna go around the car show and show you a little bit of some of these beautiful cars on a hot August day. So last time we were out here at the Village of Baytowne Wharf, I had mentioned this events plaza right here in the middle of the area, and that's where they have the majority of the cars. They have a few going down some of the side streets here, but we're gonna go down here and check out some of these sweet rides. They've got everything from classic muscle to exotic sports cars here, so we're gonna go check it out. Now, one thing I like about this car show, I'm not sure if it's an annual thing, but they've got a little bit of everything here. Usually I go to car shows and it's mostly classic stuff. They have one at the Destin Commons every single year that they put on that's mostly classic cars, but this show has a little bit of everything. I definitely like seeing some of the exotics. Here's a nice little two-door Bel Air. Got it jacked up a little bit. I'm not a fan of that. I like to keep it about as original as possible, but still looks pretty cool. Now, outside of me being here a week or so ago and seeing a flyer for this car show, I don't know that they advertised it much in the area. So there's a decent amount of people here. I think all the car owners are walking around checking everything out. But it's not very long. It only runs from 11 to 3 today. So I guess anybody that happens to be here on the resort or out here at the Baytowne Wharf today are going to be able to run into this and enjoy seeing all these really nice rides. All right, that's going to be it here for the car show at the Baytowne Wharf at Sandestin Resort. I just wanted to give you a quick show of that, walk around here, enjoy some of the cars, just show you some of the fun things that they've got to do out here at the Sandestin Resort every so often. So we're glad you joined us, and thank you for watching Butler Family Adventures.